All right, this video is going to go over the Conditionals Chapter 3 Coding Bat question number 2. All right, so we're going to click on the link here. And again, just a plug, make sure you've logged in up here so you get credit for doing it. In this one, we are going to find the sum. All right, so you're just adding the two numbers. The only thing is they don't want to ever have a sum between 10 and 19. If that happens, they're just going to give the sum of 20. So in this example, we input 9 and 4. That's 13, but it really just returns 20. All right, so again, coming into our method here, we have int a and int b. So we don't need to make two new ints here. We don't need to start with int a equals 3 and int b equals 4, because that's going to be set by these two numbers coming in. So a and b already exist, and they have the values of whatever is passed into the method here. Okay, so we don't need to do this step. What we do need to do is find the sum. So we can just add the two together. And then we're going to basically say, well, if that sum is between 19 and 10 and 19, sorry. So if we are greater than 10 and the sum is less than or equal to 19, right? That's between the values we don't want. Then I'm just going to set sum to be 20. All right, and I'm not even going to put an else here. I'm basically going to say if it's the sum in that range, just change it to 20, and then I'm just going to return the sum after that. So, you know, this if after we add them together, if we get the sum we don't want, we're going to make it 20. But if that's not true, let's say we got the sum of 21 or something, it's just going to skip this if and this return it. Same thing if it was like 7, right? 7 is not greater than or equal to 10 and less than or equal to 19. So it's going to skip this part and just go straight to the return statement. So it's kind of a straightforward if here without an else, right? I mean, you could set it up differently, to be honest. You could actually, like an alternate way to do this would be you could return 20 here, right? If it's not a sum we want, and then do an else that says return the sum. So this would basically say if it's in the range we don't want, return 20, otherwise return the sum. That'd be another way to think of it. We wouldn't need this statement here then. So that should work, right? But it also worked to have it the way I did before, which is actually, that's kind of the way I like to do it. Right, so that would work too. So there's lots of different ways to do this, but the point is we get the sum that we want based on those rules. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.